Welcome back students. I was explaining you in my previous video that there are many things kept at our home which can be act as a remedy if a person is suffering from acidity. I was suggesting you that you can take baking soda, a pinch of baking soda along with a lot of water. It will help as a basic solution. A person is suffering from acidity, and when we provide basicity to it, then what will happen in our stomach? The neutralization reaction takes place and the neutral salt will be formed inside the stomach along with water, and the person get relief from the acidic problem. So I think the acid and base are clear to you. Now let us come to next topic. Students, I have told you what are indicators. Indicator, if I am doing sign like this here upside, what I am indicating from my this finger, I am indicating the direction that look up, upside, look this side, look that side, means indications are given. So the substance which indicate whether the given solution is acidic or basic, so that substance are called acid base indicator, or simply we call it as indicators. So let us do some activities related to indicators. In the beginning of video I have shown you that this is the solution of turmeric, okay, which is acting as a indicator in our experiment. This I have taken lemon juice, okay, and here this I have taken detergent solution, okay. Now see what will happen. First of all, I will take a little amount of, please focus here, I will take a little amount of lemon juice, okay, and I am adding turmeric solution to it. Please focus here. We will observe. Let us see what will happen. Is there any color change will occur or not? I am adding turmeric solution to it. Now let us mix it. See? Do you find any color change? No. Isn't it? Now let us check for basic solution, the solution of detergent and water. And now I am putting turmeric to it. See? What a good color it has occurred. See? This one was showing no change in the color. You can compare it with the turmeric solution. Here I have taken lemon juice and added turmeric to it. You can see that no color change. Only this one is more darker and it is a little one lighter in color. But if you see here, observe the changes. Here I have taken basic solution along with turmeric. You can see that it become a reddish in color. So what will happen? This turmeric is used as a indicator which indicate that the particular solution is acidic or basic. Okay. If I see acid show no change when turmeric is added to it, and the base, if I add turmeric to it, it become red in color, isn't it? So same way I can use some more indicators also. For example, red cabbage leaves can also be used as an indicator, and I have told you litmus solution also, isn't it? That is made from lichen, and lichen was the combination of two groups. What was? Fungi and algae. Algae prepare food and fungi was given shelter to it. Okay. Now let us come to some more acidic basic things. Okay. Now see what I have taken here. Milk. Okay. Now can you tell what type of acid milk contain? Yes. Acid, it contain a little amount of lactic acid, and curd contain more amount of lactic acid. When your mother prepare curd for you people, what she did? She take some milk, some lukewarm milk, okay, and then she add a little amount of curd to it and keep it for few hours. Then after setting, it get converted into curd, and curd contain lactic acid. Okay. And can you tell the glucose present in milk? Yes, I have told in my videos, that is lactose. But it was lactose, for the group of all glucose family. Okay, you might are using glucose nowadays. It is summer season. For instant energy, your mother is giving glucose with your fruit juices, isn't it? So glucose, lactose, maltose, fructose, sucrose, all these are the family of glucose, okay, which is providing sweetness to the food. Now come to the another type of indicators. Here I have told you this indicator, it is called natural indicator, which are provided from nature. Okay, this was the solution and turmeric was the natural indicator, isn't it? Then synthetic indicators were also there, or we can say man-made indicators, which are made by man, like methyl orange, phenolphthalein. Sorry dear, I don't have phenolphthalein here, otherwise I could have shown you that experiment also. But let us see what I can arrange for you people. Now third type of indicators which depend upon the smell, that indicators are called olfactory indicators. Yes, olfactory indicators are the indicators which change the smell or odor whenever it come in contact with acid or basic solution. Okay, can you guess what are the olfactory indicator? Yes, I have explained you in my videos. You can comment now and speak what was your answer. Okay, I am helping you out here. See, onion is a olfactory indicator. If I keep onion in a cloth wrapped for some time, and after some time when I put some acidic solution on it or basic solution on it, then it will show different smell for different solution. By different smell I can indicate that it is acid and this one is base. So what was the next indicator? Any guesses? Yes, the next indicator was your favorite, vanilla essence. Here I am having a custard powder of vanilla flavor. Okay, so this vanilla flavor essence are also acting same as our onion is acting, for example as a olfactory indicators. Now I think the concept of indicator, acid, base are clear to you all people, isn't it? And I have explained you here different type of glucose present in our food items and different type of acids present in our food items, and which acid we can take and which acid we cannot take. I have explained in the last. I have one question for you people. Sometimes what happen, you get stung by honeybee, okay, or ant bite you, isn't it? So you have to name me the what acid the ant or honeybee insert inside your body. You have to write comment so that I can know that you have understood all the things. Thank you and have a nice day. I think today with activities you have enjoyed a lot our science class. Bye bye.